Minerals have great potential for development, but in some regions their extraction can fuel violence and human rights abuses and have negative environmental impacts. To address these concerns, the EU has adopted the Conflict Minerals Regulation to ensure that minerals and metals entering supply chains have not contributed to harmful activities. This means that European importers of tin, tantalum, tungsten and gold must undertake a process of due diligence, which involves identifying, assessing and managing risks in their supply chain. It's a requirement that follows the OECD's due diligence guidance for responsible supply chains of minerals from conflict-affected and high-risk areas through a 5-step process. Set up a strong company management system. Identify and assess risks in your supply chain. Manage risks. Have your operations and processes audited. And publicly report on your due diligence. If it sounds complicated, don't worry. The European Commission's Due Diligence Ready online portal has everything you need to help you with due diligence and responsible sourcing of minerals and metals. Visit us today to find out more.